positive ID of suspect. We got them! We got them!
Why don't you pick a man with a good job? Like a banker.
Men like that only date girls who wear Bruno jeans. I can't afford
What? Can I help you? You go enjoy yourself.
You're about to hear me.
呢度係 H Club Radio，跟住帶俾你嘅係好有魅力嘅 Dual Mumbo Jumbo。之後咧係一首融合爵士樂同藍調風格，令人讚歎嘅歌曲《Jazz Nights and Days》。
I found one of your statues.
Oh, the dog. Excellent. Ever think about going back to the States?
It didn't work the first time. Why would it again? And the past goes with you wherever you go.
So you will confront the past rather than run from it.
Damn straight.
I wonder, is the past something we can defeat? Or is it something we simply come to terms with? What would you like to learn? I'm ashamed to call myself your teacher. Your failure is truly breathtaking. Faster! Harder! I'm embarrassed for you. Please, stop by again if you find one of my statues.
Get ready for classic.
灼煮食，當你想食。
Inspector.
Away. I'm glad you're here. What do you know about the underground racing circuit?
Well, they drive fast. Occasionally they crash into something.
Yeah, and occasionally they end up killing each other.
Well, that's manslaughter at best.
But these last couple of files don't feel like manslaughter to me. It's got more of a deliberate feel to it.
You want me to check it out?
Yeah. Get into the circuit and see what you can find out.
All right. See you.
This is 1108. Suspicious activity sighted near the harbor. 148 adjusting for
Yeah.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You up for a race?
Yeah, sure. Long as you don't mind losing. Lucky for you, those Amars kept getting in the way. 1 in a million shot.
Want a rematch?
Yeah, sure. I'll take you.
You're ready for the big time? Let me know. Everybody knows I'm the best driver in the city. Everyone.
Oh yeah? I'll take you down too, hotshot. Just as soon as my car is fixed.
You okay?
No, I'm in big trouble. I really need your help, please.
What's wrong?
It's this.
A gun.
Yes. Charlie made me carry it in my purse for him. He didn't want the cops to find it, so he made me take it. And now he's gone, and I don't know what to do with it.
Charlie. He's one of Dog Eye's people, right?
Yes, and you took over, right? So in a way, the gun is yours too. You'll take it, won't you?
Sure, I'll take it. That's it? That's your big problem.
Yes. Thank you so much, Wei. I knew I was right to trust you.
Don't worry, Tiffany. I'll take care of it.
Thanks, Wei. You're the greatest.
Hello?
Raymond, I got something.
What is it?
Something for ballistics. A weapon belonging to one of Dog Eye's men. Do you know Charlie Peng?
Wait, how did you get Charlie Peng's gun?
Never mind. Can you use it?
All right, meet me. I'm on my way.
Andrew? What are you doing here? Where's Raymond?
This is something I wanted to handle personally, Wei. Do you have Charlie Peng's gun?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've noticed that guns are something of a rarity in Hong Kong. Not like in the States. This particular gun is quite important.
So who's the dead guy?
I was hoping you'd help me with that, actually. Officer Shen, take up a firing position. Okay, you ready? All right, listen. It's simple. We'll have to recreate the fight.
You think you can rid me off? Oh, hang on. Let's just talk about it. Let's go.
First, he was in cover behind the barricade. Get down behind that barrier. Good. I want you to put some bullets in a few things. All right, good. By now, the van must have appeared on the scene. Where are you going, Wei? Then he must have run to over there. Shooting at the guys over there. There was a shooter, firing shots from the passenger window. But he couldn't get a clean shot, so he pushed forward. One more thing. He would have tried to get away, but Charlie disabled the car. Your weapon, officer. Good firing, Wei.
Pedro! What are you doing?
I told you he wasn't important. Now he is. He's going to help us nail Charlie Pang. It's for the greater good, Wei. You understand?
I don't think I do, sir.
Wei, I know who you are. You're just like me. You do what must be done. Local PD is on their way. You should go.
What the fuck's going on?
Dog Eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gatan in the shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. And we need Suwa alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eyes' biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed?
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun and use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eye's drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around and wait for my signal to attack.
I know him. Fucking get him.
Who the fuck is this?
Siwa, You're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive! Stop! All right, light it up! Ah, come on! Stop goddamn chasing me! Fuck! Shit! What the guy all the way?
Speedy turning! Run! Run!
Fuck's sake! The dog guy is gonna kill you, asshole! Guys! Help me! Don't move!
Shit!
I said, don't move!
Fucking cops.
Let go of me! Ah! Fuck!
Are you fucking done?
Okay, I'm done. What are you doing?
Shut up.
You know what you just did? You're dead! You're dead!
Look, I'm not afraid of dog eyes.
Dog eyes? Motherfucker, I get paid by dog eyes, but all my product goes to Big Smile Lee. You wanna fuck with him?
I just did.
You dumb bastards got any idea how badly this is going to fuck things?
Hey, ask me if I care.
My product is what makes the whole triad work.
I don't give a shit about your product. And you keep talking about it, I'm liable to...
That was fucking crazy! See you. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
搞臭啦！係啊，點啊？
我拳頭我自己都驚啊！
I like it. I like it. Hey, buddy, you looking for a bucket?